Jointer planar combos are both of these machines in one tool. A jointer is the tool used to create a flat face and square up the edge. It can also bevel the edge if necessary. There are many products available to choose the best jointer planar combos, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jet JJP 12-inch planar jointer. Given that woodworkers have a variety of different needs, picking a single best jointer planar combo is no easy task. Jet produces a range of high-quality machines, and its 12-inch model offers a sturdy build, impressive power, and a reputation for fast and easy changeover between functions. A steel cabinet provides a sturdy base. It also needs a manual restart in the event of a power outage, so the machine doesn't come back on unexpectedly. A 4-inch dust port serves both jointing and planing operations. The Jet JJP 12 jointer planar combo is among the most competitively priced in its class. Those who are fastidious about finish quality might want to look at the brand's JJP 12HH, which is a helical cutterhead but costs substantially more. Number 2. RYKEN 25 to 210H 12-inch helical planar jointer. The key feature of the RYKEN 25 to 210H jointer planar combo is the helical cutterhead. It has 4 rows of carbide blades rotating at 5,000 RPM. The resulting 20,000 cuts per minute produces a super smooth surface straight out of the machine, so sanding is seldom necessary. A feed rate of 23 FPM also makes this a highly productive machine. The RYKEN 25 to 210H jointer planar combo is capable of delivering the performance demanded by professionals, but quality control can occasionally be an issue. The fence can work loose, and controls may have some play, making setup more difficult. There is nothing that can't usually be fixed, but given the price, it is no surprise that some owners find this frustrating. Number 3. Jet JJP 8 BT 8-inch planar jointer combo. Home woodworkers often have limited space, so benchtop machines that can be stored away when not required are ideal. Weighing just 58 pounds and with a table length of 29 inches, the Jet JJP 8 BT jointer planar combo fulfills this role. It is also light enough to be of use to job site carpenters. The motor seems to be the same model used for the 10-inch Jet jointer planar. As expected on a budget jointer planar combo, the tables are extruded aluminum and sheet metal rather than cast iron. They are decent quality and, like the tall fence, offer good workpiece support. However, they can be fiddly to level. The 4-inch dust port comes with a 2 1/2-inch adapter for shop vacs. Number 4. WEN JT 630H 10-amp 6-inch spiral benchtop jointer. If you prefer a spiral cutter head, then this model by WEN is certainly one I would check out. This model comes with 12 staggered HSS blades, and with 10 amp of power behind it, it does mean this small machine doesn't mess around. You do also have the option of creating that bevel angle of up to 45 degrees simply by tilting the fence, and this is straightforward to do. It comes with a spring-loaded guard, so the chances of hurting yourself will be reduced. Overall, this jointer planar combo machine can be set up in minutes, and it can then produce extraordinary results in a short period of time. I find it easy to use, and I am consistently impressed by its results. Number 5. PORTERCABLE 6-inch jointer planar combo. PORTERCABLE is a name I love when I'm searching for a well-made tool that doesn't exactly come with a hefty price tag, and this jointer planar combo machine is a prime example. Complete with 10 amp of power, I like how this model makes it easy to vary the speed from between 6,000 and 11,000 RPM. PORTERCABLE does make a habit of producing tools that are easy to use, and I know that this also applies here. Overall, this inexpensive jointer planar combo machine provides everything you need, from boards to an easily adjustable fence for angles and even a dust port to keep everything clean. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.